In this video, we're going to look at how to evaluate a function. What we're given is f of x equals negative 4 times x plus 2. And we want to use that to find, first of all, the f of 5, and then second of all, the f of a. So let's go ahead and look at the first thing we're asked to find, the f of 5. And so first of all, let's investigate the function that we're given. We're given that the f of x is equal to negative 4 times x plus 2. So in other words, a good thing to do when you're doing these problems is look at all the locations where you have an x, first of all, in the actual function. Then what you want to do is you want to say what we're doing is we want to replace that x with a 5, because really the function, x is kind of a placeholder. What you should say is the f of something is equal to negative 4 times something plus 2. And all we're doing is changing out what that something is. So when we're looking for the f of 5, all we're really going to do is we're going to make that something be a 5. So the f of 5 is going to equal negative 4 times 5, or times something, plus 2. And so all we did was replace all of the x's for 5's. Now we can evaluate using algebra. So order of operations, first of all, we'll do negative 4 times 5 is going to be negative 20 plus 2. Negative 20 plus 2 is going to give us negative 18. And that is the function value of f at 5. So now let's do the same thing, but this time we want to find the f of a. Now the nice thing about this is even though a is not like a number, it's kind of just a variable or some kind of value, we still work out the problem the exact same way. Anywhere we have an x or a something, we want to put a in its place. So negative 4 times a, or something, plus 2. And since this isn't actually a number that's given to us explicitly, all we have to do is simplify this as much as we can. So negative 4 times a would just be negative 4a plus 2. And that's our final answer.